Hey guys, so we're just about to head out and check out a bike for my cousin Kyle. So this is my cousin Kyle and then Dad, so we're all going to check out this bike. All right, we are heading over to Salem to check out a CRF250R. It's a 2006, basically the same as my bike for Kyle. So Kyle, what are you thinking?
Thinking it's a great deal, and I'm excited, and thank these guys for going with me to check it out.
How long have you wanted a bike?
A very long time. Years.
Like years? So
Absolutely.
Even way before we got our bikes.
Before you guys got bikes.
And then after we got ours, you were like...
It pushed me even more to get...
Yeah. So tell me how your... Kyle's recently married. Like,
Yeah,
how long have you been married now?
How'd your wife feel about this?
2 years in December.
2 years in December. Okay,
And,
so how does the wife feel?
It took me a little bit to convince her, but now that I found the perfect bike, she's excited for me. She's
good.
She's happy that I get to do this with you guys.
All right,
It's gonna be
really,
great.
I think this is kind of for your wife.
Yeah.
I mean, that's when I bought my bike.
Absolutely.
It was, the same way when I bought the new TV in the house. It's for our wives.
Yeah.
I mean,
Absolutely.
we want them to, see us happy. So Kyle, what just happened?
Just got myself a bike.
Oh my goodness, you're excited, aren't you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Now it's pouring down rain. Let's go ride in the mud. Is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
All right, so what are your thoughts right now? How did it feel?
Felt great. Felt good about the buy, and I'm super excited to get out there with Aiden and Dale and have a lot of fun.
I must say, he got this bike for an absolute steal, and man, I mean, not too much to go with it. It started first kick when we went to fire that up.
I literally kicked it over at the first kick. I know they had started it prior,
Yeah,
which I understand, and people do that, but yeah, we rode it, and it was tight. It didn't rattle, didn't make. So yeah, I think it'll be
Good bike. And here it is, right behind me here. Right there, look at that thing. It's raining quite a bit, but it's a beautiful bike. Definitely some work that needs to be done, but nothing that's too major. I mean, that's going to be a great bike, great fixer-upper. It's beautiful.
Well, something that's really good with these bikes is there's a lot of information out on them, and they're not too difficult to fix. So if something does happen to it, as long as the main infrastructure of it, I didn't see anything being bent or anything like that when it comes to the chassis or anything like that. We can fix anything else that comes up. I think Sierra, your wife, is going to just be so ecstatic. She's going to be so happy. Like, your marriage is going to take it to the next level.
It's gonna, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. I'm confident.
Yeah. Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
load it?
let's go.
Let's get it undone. Connie wants to know how you talked Sierra into this.
I told Aiden that I just sat down and had a reasonable conversation with her. We just kind of talked about, I wanted a hobby that my buddies had. And she's like, no, it should be good. You should be able to get it. And